Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Elon Musk once said, "Take risks now and do something bold. You won't regret it." And today, we're starting something bold. Let's simplify crypto investing so you can start your journey to success today. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay connected and never miss our simple strategies to grow your wealth. All right, let's start from the basics. Crypto might sound complex, but I'm here to make it simple, step by step. Imagine investing in something as revolutionary as the internet back in the 90s. Cryptocurrency is that opportunity today. Think of cryptocurrency as digital money. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are game changers in how we think about money today. You need a safe place to store your crypto. Download a secure crypto wallet like Coinbase or Binance. You need a safe place to store your crypto. Download a secure crypto wallet like Coinbase or Binance. As Elon says, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start with a small amount you're willing to learn with, maybe $50 or $100. Sign up on a trusted platform, verify your account, and buy your first coin. Choose something stable like Bitcoin or Ethereum as your starting point. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward financial empowerment. Like Elon Musk, you can turn small, bold actions into groundbreaking achievements. Stay consistent, keep learning, and who knows, your financial breakthrough could be just around the corner. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and let me know what step you're starting with. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. Let's build your crypto future together.